Hello everybody, today we are going to test this Bluetooth headset. Here now is in Hong Kong at Bangkok. You can see around us so many people and there are so many lines. Okay, let's make it back. And also we use this cell phone for reference and they are paired now. And we use this Nokia cell phone to pick up the phone call. Use this cable plug into the DV machine for voice recording. After this cable plug into the DV machine, you cannot listen the environment sound. Okay, the test now start.
Hello everybody, I'm now talking with you by this Bluetooth headset. So you know that now is very very noisy place. And I forgot to tell that you can wear like this. You can wear like this. And now I change it to the cell phone for your reference. Okay, hello everybody, and now using the HTC cell phone for your reference, so can use also listen to the voice of the cell phone. Okay, I now disconnect the cable so you can listen the environment.
So here you can listen the environment noise because I prepared the cable already. Okay, this is all the test finished.